Organometallic compounds. What is organometallic compound? Metal directly binds with the carbon atom. This is termed as organometallic compound. At least one bond between a metallic element and a carbon belonging to an organic molecule. So metal directly bind with the carbon. These kind of compounds are termed as organometallic compounds. Not only the metal, metalloids also easily bind with carbon to form an organometallic compound like silicon, tin, boron and all. These organometallic compounds having wide applications in the field of pharmaceutical industries and polymer. This is the best catalyst in order to promote the reaction and enhance the product. The best example for the organometallic compounds are Grignard reagents, diethyl zinc, methyl lithium. What is EAN rule? Effective atomic number. The total number of electrons surrounded by the metal ion. The electrons gained from the ligand will be equivalent to inert gas configuration. If the molecule having the inert gas configuration, then the molecule said to be obey EAN rule. If the molecule obey EAN rule, that stability should be higher. Example for this one, Mn2CO 10 times. Here electrons from two manganese atoms are 50. Atomic number of manganese is 25. So two manganese ions are there. That's why electrons from two manganese atoms are 50. Electrons from 10 carbonyl molecules are 20. Each carbonyl ligand donate 2 electrons to the metal ion, totally 20 electrons. Then electrons from one metal-metal bond is 2. Totally 72 electrons are there. EAN of each manganese atom will be equal to 36. So 72 divided by 2, we get 36. So 36 is nothing but krypton's atomic number. So this molecule obey EAN rule. That's why this molecule is more stable. Then 18 electron rule. Some of the molecule obey 18 electron rule. Here what is 18 electron rule? We consider only the valence electron and electron gained from the ligand. The example is iron pentacarbonyl. Atomic number of iron is 26, but the iron having the valence electron 8. 4 is to 3d6. Total number of valence electron is 8. Then 5 carbonyl donates 10 electrons. Each carbonyl donates 2 electrons, totally 10 electrons. So this molecule obey 18 electron rule. If the molecule obey 18 electron rule, then it should be more stable. So iron pentacarbonyl is more stable. Then Fe2CO 9 times. Here bimetallic system, the structure of this molecule is this one. So each of the iron atom having 3 terminal carbonyls and 3 bridged carbonyls. Each of the iron atom having 3 terminal carbonyls and 3 bridged carbonyls. So terminal carbonyls are donates 2 electrons to one iron atom. Then bridged carbonyl, each bridged carbonyl donate 1 electron to one of the iron atom and remaining 1 electron to another iron atom. Okay. Then 18 electron rule of this Fe2CO 9 times system. Each iron atom having 8 electrons, valence electron. Then each iron atom having 3 terminal carbonyls. So 3 terminal carbonyls donate 6 electrons. Then 3 bridged carbonyl donates 3 electrons to the each iron atom. Then 1 metal-metal bond. So metal-metal bond, each iron atom having 1 electron. So here we consider only one iron atom. So here 18 electrons. So this Fe2CO 9 times ion atom having, single ion atom having 18 electrons. So this molecule also obey 18 electron rule. So it should be more stable. Then metal, nitrogen.